This sensational 2009 Dodge Ram 2500 has been detailed and is now ready for the road. This four-door crew cab has comfortable medium-grade cloth seats, and is equipped with a responsive 6.7-liter inline six-cylinder 12-valve engine, a smooth-shifting automatic transmission, and has rear-wheel drive. Its electronic features include satellite radio and a trip computer. The safety features on this vehicle include child safety locks, a four-wheel anti-lock braking system and 4 ventilated disc brakes. Please contact our professional sales staff today to schedule a test drive.